Alright, so let's see how to use this Valentine's Day template for DaVinci Resolve. Now once you download this template, you should get the zip file. Now just unzip the zip file and you will get this folder over here. Now if you open up this, you will find these subfolders inside it. Now this is the project file which you need to install in DaVinci Resolve, which I will show you in a moment. And then you will find this help file, and after that you will find this font. So I will recommend you to open up this font link, copy and paste in your browser, download and install it before you install or open up the template. Otherwise the template might not work properly. You can change the font later if you want, but first make sure to install it. Okay, after you install the font, just open up DaVinci Resolve and make sure your DaVinci Resolve version is 17 or above. Below version will not work. And then just go to this home section, just click on this icon over here and just right click on this any blank option and just click on this restore project archive. Don't click on this import project, click on this restore project archive. Then just navigate to your download folder and then open up the project file, select the .dir file and click on this open. After that, it will be prompt you to name it, so you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it test. Okay, now it has been imported. Now just double click on it. Now it will be ready in the timeline and ready for edit. First thing, make sure that this final comp is noticeable over here. Sometimes if you get something like this where you cannot see the which comp you are right now, make sure to go over here and toggle it. That will be very useful to changing the image placeholders. Okay, so go over here and toggle it from here. Now as you can see, there is total 10 different scenes available over here, by which the slideshow is represented over here. So now let's take a look how to change these placeholders and the text, and as well as some color settings. Let's suppose I want to edit this scene 1, so make sure you have put your timer indicator on the scene 1 and come over here to this inspector tab. So if it's not open, make sure to toggle it from here, and then in this title section you will find all of these parameters over here. So at first you will find this image position and scale. So whatever image you can display over here, you can control the position and scale from here. So by any chance the image is too small or you want to reposition the image somewhere else, you can just scale it from here and move the position directly from here. So this is very handy over here. So quickly let me change an image in this placeholder. So this is the first scene, so that will be the image 1. So I will go over here in this master settings and you will find this edit placeholder. Underneath I will find this image, so I can just select on that. You will see all of this image will be available. So there is total 21 images available for this entire slideshow. So I'm going to double click on this image 1. So as you can see, the image 1 has been opened up over here. Okay, now you have to just import your own media over here. So I'm just going to right click. I'm going to create a bin called demo images, and in here I'm just going to import my own medias. Okay, I have just imported one image over here just for testing. So I'm just going to drag and drop over here and I'm going to fit it. And then I'm just gonna delete the bottom one. So I'm just gonna press backspace so that it can be deleted. And then I'm just gonna resize and reposition it like so. Okay, now I can just go back. You will see, you can see the update over here. Now sometime what will happen, you will not see any update over here. That's because you have to go over here to this playback option, and from this render cache, make it to none. So if it's to user or smart, sometimes the cache will already done, and even if you change the image, you cannot see the preview. So if that's the case, make sure to toggle it to none, and that will sort out the issue. Okay, now for the text, you can type your text anything you want over here. Okay, and you can change the color, font of course, size, tracking, etc. over here. I'm just going to decrease the size a bit, like so. After that, you will find other color settings like this heart element color 1, heart element color 2, something like that. You can just go over here and change any color you like, something like that. And this one you can change to pink, like so. And heart element color 3, let's take a look which one it is. It was the background. Okay, and you can also control the opacity of it. And at the end we will find this background color, lens flare and particles opacity from here. So that's basically it. You will get same kind of settings in all of these placeholders scenes actually. As you can see, this is the scene 3, and here you will find this image position and scale for this image 4 and 5, image stroke color, text, elements color, background color, etc. So you get the idea. So in the same step, you can change all of these placeholders and change all of the text and colors depending on your need, and you can create your slideshow as you want. Now let's see how to export it. Now once you're happy with your edit, make sure that your render cache set back to user or smart before you render. Otherwise, your render might not start. So while you are editing, make it to none. But while you are rendering, make it to user or smart. Okay, then you can just go to this deliver option. And from here, you can type your name over here, choose your destination folder and the formats, and click on this add to render queue. And now you can start render from here. I hope this video helped. If you need any other support, feel free to contact me. I will be happy to answer.